What should have been a beautiful scenic drive on South Highway 1 was ruined by the horrible weather. Rain or shine, we pulled over to appreciate all of the glory of the Pacific Ocean. This route takes you miles right on the western coast. By sunset, visibility was practically nil. We stayed overnight in Pismo Beach, and by morning the weather had improved. There are several farms in California, and it's pretty cool to realize that the lettuce that is grown here is probably what is exported to us at home. We hit the coastline again, and the ocean looks much better in this light. We finally hit the city, and I'm excited to find a Trader Joe's close to my hotel. After checking into our hotel on 3rd Street, we relaxed for a bit before taking in the atmosphere at Hollywood Boulevard. This is a tourist trap with vendors and artists dressed up as superheroes to make a living. Because we arrived on Christmas Day, the foot traffic is fairly light, so we were able to check out all of the handprints outside the infamous Chinese theater. There are nearly 200 hand and footprints here. Also check out the Walk of Fame with nearly 2,600 stars that cover at least 15 blocks. Next, we decide to get a closer look at the Hollywood sign by driving up one of the hills. Exhausted from our trip, we decided to fuel up at the LA Farmers Market for breakfast, and this is located steps from our hotel. It's all decked up for the season. This place is a haven for foodies like me. The market is packed with over 100 vendors from all over the world. While my hubby and kids settle on Phil's Deli, a diner place for eggs, I take a look around. Although it's a bit too early for a Brazilian barbecue for me, I do have my eye on this place for later. The breakfast has arrived and I think I've overindulged with this corned beef sandwich. After some serious shopping at Beverly Plaza, we returned to the farmers market for lunch. Even though the line is super long at this point, I am determined to line up for the Brazilian barbecue at Pampas Grill. After about a 30-minute wait, we make it to the front of the line and load up with meat and all the fixings. Before we leave the farmers market, we have to try the homemade ice cream. Bennett's has been here for 55 years. LA at night is absolutely spectacular, from Hollywood to Beverly Hills and everything in between. The next morning we have breakfast at Bacoa. Bacoa means strength in Hebrew, and the food here is delicious and hearty and exactly what we need to tackle the Santa Monica Pier later. A short drive away is the Santa Monica Pier. Packed with people, artists, vendors and restaurants, this pier has something for everyone. Unfortunately, our tight schedule did not allow us to just hang on the beach, but I highly recommend doing that if you have more time. Route 66 ends right here at Santa Monica, which I think is pretty cool. This is the only pier to house an outdoor park. park is fun for the young and the old alike.
That you're sweet as a nut. Give me one more chance to give. There's sun.
Are readily available for rent and they can be unlocked via an app. Before we start to walk towards Pismo Beach and Venice Beach, it's time for a quick snack. Quite frankly, this was the highlight of my trip. Cool fruit drizzled with lime juice and sprinkled with spices under a hot sun is my idea of heaven. We hang for a bit on Pismo Beach, and I use the word hang quite literally. Pismo Beach is known as the birthplace of physical fitness. Next, we make our way over to Venice Beach. We were told to visit the promenade while in Santa Monica. Great shopping, but totally bad for your wallet. We returned to Hollywood Boulevard to catch a bus for a celebrity tour. It's as crazy during the day. Hot dog stands are everywhere, as well as carts selling refreshing fresh fruit. We have time just for a quick bite, so we head into Cabo Wabo. The food here is okay, but their Cabo TD is pretty amazing. This is probably the only place where you can see Disney characters and superheroes go on bathroom breaks together. If you're really interested in peering into the empty lots of celebrities, take the tour. If not, give it a miss. On our last day, we check out downtown LA. The fashion district is super amazing. I just wish I had more time to explore it and the extra suitcase to carry stuff back. What surprises me though is the amount of homelessness in LA. There are tents pitched on the sidewalks for miles. My very hungry kids are determined to try In-N-Out burgers. I have to say, after all the hype, the burgers were just meh. To be fair, they are good value for money. The animal fries tasted stale and were really the worst I've ever had. I'm sorry, In-N-Out. Although we passed a Shake Shack, we didn't get a chance to visit, so imagine our joy to find one at the airport en route back to Toronto. With a great view of the plains, I patiently wait for our burgers, and once they arrive, Instagram and attack. These burgers are all that and more. Hands down, they were my kids' favorite burgers to eat. Although I was a little partial to Gott's in San Francisco. I hope you enjoyed seeing LA through my lens. Make sure to check out our trip to San Francisco. I'm going to leave that link at the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to ring the bell so you're the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. Till I see you next time, take care guys. Bye.